How to enable dark mode on KuCoin application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are in KuCoin and want to enable dark mode for a more comfortable trading experience, then here's how you do it. First things first, open the KuCoin app on your device and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, go ahead and look for your profile avatar at the top left corner from the home screen. You'll then be able to see this expanded menu where you need to see the half moon kind of icon at the top right. Click on that and click on confirm. And there you have enabled the dark theme or mode on KuCoin app. You can always switch back to the light mode by tapping on the same location. Only the difference is that whenever you switch to dark mode, you'll be able to see a little sun icon at the top right corner. If you press on that again, you'll be switching to the light mode again. So that is how it's done. You'll just need to find this switch at the top right and you have successfully changed between dark and light mode on KuCoin application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.